Hi, I'm Joshua by name. In this video, I am going to educate you on Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplements, real reviews. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a delicious weight loss supplement drink powder that optimizes digestion using high-quality ingredients directly from the islands of Japan. Made available at the official Okinawa drink website at flatbellytonic.com. The Japanese island-derived flat belly tonic recipe promotes life-changing results and references nearly 20 different independently reviewed studies citing the effectiveness of each ingredient in this top-selling weight loss powder formula. But when reviewing the ancient Japan-oriented weight loss tonic, there are many important details to cover to fully grasp everything Mike Banner and his qualified team of supplement formulators in this unique Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Let's take a break from Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review. It is easy to underestimate the importance of losing weight. Obese peoples in general are susceptible to a number of different serious diseases and comorbidities. For example, people with extremely high BMIs are far more likely than their healthy peers to develop heart disease, which is a leading cause of death in the United States. Improving your weight can also help to maximize your overall quality of life. Obese people are likely to experience a loss of mobility, which can impact daily life. Every year, millions of people all over the world try to lose weight, and fail miserably. Traditional medical wisdom may lead you to believe that this is because those people simply weren't trying hard enough. Were they not eating the right foods, or were they eating far too much? Perhaps they had abandoned their workout routines before seeing any real process. Boosting your metabolism is a complex process. Traditional medical research provides few clear-cut ways for people to improve the metabolic processes that underscore daily life. This is one place where the supplement industry might be able to help in a way that Big Pharma can't. Thousands of new supplements claim to help people improve their metabolism. It can be hard to cut through the hype and figure out which of these supplements can actually help you lose weight. Today, we are exploring some of the most important facts about Flat Belly Tonic. According to the supplement's website, the product is a powerful new formula capable of helping people lose weight quicker and healthier. This review will outline everything you need to know about Flat Belly Tonic. Is it legit, or is it one of the hundreds of scams in the supplement industry today? Find out everything you need to learn about Flat Belly Tonic in today's comprehensive real review. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Real Reviews. There's no question about why Flat Belly Tonic is stirring up so much interest among supplement users all over the world. The basic idea behind the supplement is nothing new. It claims to help people to enjoy healthier digestion while supporting their metabolism. In doing so, this supplement might have the capacity to help you to lose weight much faster than you've been able to with diet and exercise alone. We appreciate this dual-pronged approach to improving weight loss. Digestive strength and metabolic efficiency are two of the most important factors in weight loss, aside from classic techniques like caloric intake and regular exercise. The supplement uses a variety of antioxidants, which have been known to help people better digest their food to burn calories at a higher rate. One of the biggest sales pitches on the Flat Belly Tonic website is that it's easy and appealing to use. The supplement derails other formulas, which are often tough to take and require you to swallow several capsules every day. For Flat Belly Tonic, however, using the supplement is just a matter of mixing it with water. The result? A drinkable tonic which goes down smoothly and helps users to maintain higher energy levels while shedding weight consistently. The official Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic site explains four main factors that underscore the design of their patented formula. Metabolism. The metabolism-boosting qualities of a weight loss supplement are very important. The creators of this formula claim that it supports the metabolism by increasing fat oxidation within the body. Energize. The antioxidant ingredients in Flat Belly Tonic help to increase energy levels in users, the supplement's creators claim. Higher energy levels can help consumers to work out more effectively and more often, which can further help weight loss efforts. Digestion. Digestive enzymes are key to the success of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula. The supplement's key ingredients can help to improve gut health and digestion. It should come as no surprise that digestive health is essential to weight loss. Safe and natural. Many supplements claim that their product is completely natural and safe, and Flat Belly Tonic makes this one of their top concerns. This supplement is created in an FDA-approved facility, and it only uses natural ingredients. One important aspect of this supplement is that it combines energy-boosting ingredients with an antioxidant-filled formula. This might improve your efforts to lose weight on two different fronts. On one end, the Flat Belly Tonic is capable of improving digestive health and metabolic strength, two things that can seriously improve caloric burn throughout the day. On the flip side, higher energy levels can maximize the effectiveness of workouts and exercise. This dual-pronged approach to weight loss is certainly impressive. Flat Belly Tonic ingredients. The key to the effectiveness of Flat Belly Tonic lays in its ingredients. This is the case with many supplements, and especially with weight loss formulas. We are wary of any company that fails to disclose most of its key ingredients. For Flat Belly Tonic, a few big claims on the official website make a full ingredient analysis absolutely necessary. While some consumers might have trouble finding the supplement facts and nutritional label of all the ingredients of Flat Belly Tonic on the official product website, we went the extra mile as this is the actual heart of the matter and what will really move the needle on his superfood powder for weight loss results. Luckily, we were sure to do some additional research to provide you a relatively full list of the main ingredients used in the formula for Flat Belly Tonic. According to our research, some of the key ingredients in this formula include polyphenol blend. Each scoop of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains 2,150 mg of a polyphenol blend. Polyphenols are plant-based antioxidants linked to healthy inflammation response. Crucial plant-based extracts in this blend include cherry, carrot, papaya, and aronia berry extracts. These 4 extracts are all rich in vitamin C. In fact, aronia berry and cherry are 2 of the most vitamin C-rich fruits found in nature. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, and the other plant-based extracts in the polyphenol blend provide their own antioxidant effects. Metabolic boosting blend. Many diet pills claim to work by boosting your metabolism. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is like adding a diet pill to the middle of your formula. Each scoop contains 465 mg of a metabolic boosting blend with shilajit extract, ginger root, cinnamon bark extract, green tea extract, white tea extract, turmeric extract, and bitter melon and black pepper fruit extract. These ingredients are commonly found in other diet pills, and they're often taken on their own for weight loss. Ginger, cinnamon bark, green tea, and turmeric are also known for supporting inflammation, as antioxidants, so they could support the polyphenol blend listed above. Probiotic and prebiotic blend. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains 100 mg of probiotics, fiber, and 3 billion CFUs of probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria in your digestive tract. They help your body break down and process the foods you eat. If you struggle with bloating, indigestion, and other issues, then it could be linked to imbalanced probiotic bacteria in your digestive tract. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic also contains 100 mg of fiber, organic blue agave inulin. This is considered a prebiotic because it feeds the probiotic bacteria in your digestive tract. Let's break down a few of these ingredients inside Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement to know just how well they work by themselves, let alone together synergistically. EGCG. Derived from both white and green tea, this ingredient has been studied extensively for its weight-shedding capabilities. Its main function is to help the body increase its core temperature, which can burn fat relatively quickly. Piperine. This is mainly known as an antioxidant. Extracted directly from black pepper, its function is to reduce inflammation while aiding in digestion. For the Flat Belly Tonic, this is one of the main ingredients which aids in the digestion portion of its function. Inulin. We're seeing a lot more of this ingredient in new weight loss supplements. Inulin can help to reduce cravings, which can be essential to an effective weight loss routine. Hibiscus sabdariffa. This red plant helps to give the supplement its nickname as the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, as it grows primarily on this Japanese island. When used sparingly, it can help people to revitalize their weight loss efforts. Various fruits. Several fruits are present in the Flat Belly Tonic. Each of these ingredients is known to offer antioxidant benefits, which can help us to lose weight faster while increasing energy levels. These ingredients also help make the supplement easier to take. Acai berry. Anyone in the supplement industry has likely come across this miraculous little berry. It can help manage cholesterol while burning fat over time. Aronia berry. This berry helps people to keep their blood sugar low, and it has also been known to increase general energy levels. Mulberry. This is one of the most abundant natural berries on this ingredient list. It is known to regulate blood sugar and help people to burn fat naturally. Momerdica tranchea. This fruit also helps to give the supplement its name. It has been known to help consumers quickly burn fat around the waist, and especially in the belly. But this is far from the end of the story when it comes to the ingredients present in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The tonic also contains a number of additional naturally occurring ingredients as part of its blend. We don't have a full list of these ingredients, but we do know that the formula itself is generally backed by extensive scientific research within the supplement sector. We were not able to verify the dosages of any ingredients within this supplement. For those readers who are familiar with research standards, this is a pretty big problem. Without clear doses, it's hard to apply existing scientific research to this supplement. For example, a study that found that 500 mg of acai berry can help people lose weight is useless when applied to a formula with only 50 mg of the same ingredient. Nonetheless, the ingredients present in this tonic have been shown to help improve weight loss and energy levels in measurable ways. Flat Belly Tonic benefits. It's almost difficult to even come up with a list of clear benefits for weight loss supplements, as the tacit benefits associated with weight loss are so extensive and varied. However, there are a number of benefits linked to Flat Belly Tonic that the company has chosen to showcase on its official product website. Some of the main benefits associated with the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic include the following. Energy level improvement. Food craving control. Metabolic boost. Digestive strengthener. Relieves stress. Limits inflammation. Improves sex drive. How does the Flat Belly Tonic work? Taking this supplement couldn't be easier. Just mix the powder with water and drink it once per morning in order to experience the best results. The ingredients in this formula are meant to do four main things. First, the Flat Belly Tonic seeks to help people improve their metabolisms to improve weight loss. Second, it works to improve overall energy and motivation. Third, the supplement aids in digestion. Finally, its safe and natural ingredients keep people as healthy and well as possible. Tonics like the Flat Belly Tonic are relatively common in the supplement industry. What seems to make this product stand out is its wide variety of ingredients and benefits. Some of the most popular supplement ingredients in the industry are being used in this supplement, and the combination of these ingredients can help consumers to improve their self-image in multiple ways. It is unlikely that this supplement will be able to help you lose weight on its own. No supplement can make people shed fat by itself. Additionally, you should know that the FDA has not approved any dietary supplement as a cure for high blood pressure, blood sugar imbalance, obesity, or any other illness. However, we will say that combining this tonic with a balanced diet and an exercise plan can help you to maximize progress on your weight loss journey. At the end of the day, supplements like the Flat Belly Tonic can be effective at turbo boosting your efforts to shed weight, but they should not be the only tool in your arsenal. Ultimately, creating a caloric deficit of 3,500 to 7,000 calories per week is the only guaranteed way to lose a healthy amount of weight over time. How to purchase Flat Belly Tonic? The main way to purchase the Flat Belly Tonic right now is through the official product website. Buying this way does two main things: it provides you with discounts for multiple bottles and it makes you eligible for the company's generous money-back guarantee. Right now, the following purchasing packages are available. 1 bot, $69. 3 bottles, $59/bottle. 6 bottles, $49/bottle. We recommend stocking up with as many bottles as possible, considering how long weight loss supplements generally take to provide observable results for users. In conclusion, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic makes some big promises on its official product website. According to its distributors, the formula can help users to lose weight, improve energy levels, regulate blood sugar, and so much more. The tonic also prides itself on being much easier to take than traditional supplements. Just mix it into the water and drink it once per morning. Be sure to avoid Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic scams where there are fake offers with cheap powders that will result in side effects and zero benefits of losing weight or burning fat, let alone optimizing metabolism. That readers conduct their own research and consult their doctors before starting any new supplement regimen. Click the link in the descriptions to get your own Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic recipe and save big on the high-quality weight loss powder supplement today. Many thanks for watching.